Hi, this is Anthony and welcome back to my show. As always, before I begin, please click the subscribe button below. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. Thanks so much. A while back, I made a number of videos about Matterport. Surprisingly, they've been extremely popular as far as getting views. It does seem to be a very popular stock, especially at the low prices that it's currently trading at. And it's a real business. It's not a Ponzi scheme dealing with junk cryptocurrencies masquerading as a business. It's a real business with hardware and software and services that people are paying for. As I mentioned, I have many videos where I do a deep dive into Matterport's financials. I'm not going to do that here so that I can keep this short, and also because I've already published those in other videos, so please check those out. As always, even if you don't look at my other videos, before you make any decision to buy, sell, or hold something, do additional research from multiple sources of good information and try to construct a well-balanced long-term portfolio for the bulk of your investments. Now, if you're watching this video, it's because you're invested in stocks. You know that most indices are in bear territory, and there's a lot of bad things going on in the United States and around the world. A war in Ukraine, higher inflation in most countries, a likely recession on the horizon, higher fuel and oil prices. The shares in almost all companies are down quite a bit. Some deserve to be because they're junk companies on their way to zero. Some are good companies that are just coming down to more regular price to earnings ratios. And some companies are likely on sale if you're looking at what their medium to long-term prospects are anticipated to be. Again, I don't want to delve deeply into charts and financials for Matterport, as I want to keep this video very short. I just want to inspire you to look into this company to see if it might be right for you. Looking at a thumbnail of the latest report of financials for the first quarter ending March 2022, they had diluted earnings per share of 23 cents. It's possible that for the current quarter, which has not yet been reported but should be soon, they may have lost money. I'll have a link to their financials in the show notes. Do your own research on that. Looking at a 5-year chart, although it doesn't go back that far, for the company, if you would have bought at their IPO, which looks like it was a little over $10, and held on until today, you would be down almost 69%. And certainly if you'd bought when the price was over $25 a share, you'd be down much more. 1-year chart, you'd have lost 71%. Year to date, you'd be down just over 80% if you bought in early January 2022. And here's a 5-day chart. As you can see, it's a little choppy, but in the past week, you'd be down almost 9%. Again, charts would have happened in the past, not necessarily what will happen in the future, but in some circumstances, they can give you an idea of trends with the company going forward. I'm also going to put a link in the show notes to some information from the Motley Fool about the company. Again, get information from a wide variety of sources. I have just a handful of shares in Matterport, but they're down about 80% from where I bought them at. They're in a Roth IRA, so if I sell them, I can't take a loss against other gains. But that should not necessarily be the only factor in deciding whether to hold or sell something. With the broad market down during the current bear market, there are a lot of good companies as well as ETFs that cover market indices that are likely on sale if you're holding for the long term. I think for me, personally, I'm probably just going to hold on to these shares I have. With the price down this low, I might even buy a few more shares as a speculation. Again, don't do anything as far as investing based on what you hear from people on the internet or YouTube. Do your own research as always. In fact, what do you think? Should I hold or should I sell? Leave a comment in the comments section below, please. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully you've subscribed to this channel. I would love it if you liked my videos and if you left a comment, even a short one. Thank you so much and good luck in investing. You can follow me on Instagram at AnthonyRRMills. I sell books and small collectibles on eBay with the username stock_tycoon. I have a wonderful array of old coins, tokens, old stock and bond certificates, postal items, Masonic items, and silver coins. I also only sell to people with addresses in the United States. So if that applies to you, please check out my items on eBay. Thanks.